Lucille, the Jamaican heavenly and earthly growth fairy. Lucilda, or Lucille, is a Jamaican folklore fairy who was said to have the voice of an angel because when she sings, human was filled with enchantment. She was often spotted waving her magic wand around flowers and other plants while singing, and they would grow to enormous heights and bear in abundance. She is known as the fairy of growth and beauty. Legend has it that her voice has magical powers, and when she sings, plants dance to her tunes. It is said that anyone that is lucky enough to spot her often come into some kind of fortune.